today I'm going to show you how to do a classic salon curl. This is a great way to just add a little something something to your blow dry. So you of course want to start on dry hair. You can use this on clean hair, you can use this on 3-day-old hair, it doesn't matter. So first you want to start with your sections. I like to just start above the tip of my ear to the back, and I'm going to clip this away. And then I divide my hair in half. And then over my shoulder I work. And then I divide it into another half. I just find it easier to take control. So you want to slide the barrel down your hair shaft. And we're actually going to curl this right under. This is just going to give you a really pretty, glamorous look to your everyday hair. So slide it down. Now I do have heat protection oil on. All of my products that I use have heat protection. I'm a big fan of Kevin Murphy and OI. Actually, I do believe that every product line has something pretty special. So I'm touching it to see if it's hot. So when it's hot, yeah, it's ready. So I have my 2 sections down. They are complete. I'm just gonna leave them over my shoulder so I don't get confused. Happens easily. I always start with my nape section first, just so that I don't get any strays. Don't you hate it when you've curled your hair and after you're done, you're like, oh, there's a straight piece? I mean, let's face it, it happens to the best of us, but we're gonna try to avoid that. Ooh, yep, that's hot. We are good to go. Obviously, I have my iron on full steam ahead. I'm going to tuck those ends under. And then I'm going to proceed with my next section. Start at my temples. Section your hair, clip this out of the way so you're not confused. And yet again, split it in half. Grab your bigger section. This is a really fast way to curl your hair because we're not going for a lot of detail. We're just wanting to add a bit of glam to your blow dry. When you slide it down the barrel, you're just ensuring less frizz, more shine. It's easy just to shake it out and see what I have curled and what I haven't. Now, the reason why I only curl the bottom half of my hair is just because I just want some really soft waves. I don't want this to look too done, just pretty. So now I take my 3rd section out. I'm gonna drop my fringe, pull this straight out from my head, start curling, bending those ends under. Pull your hair with nice tension. Because I'm not going for a lot of lift, I'm just going for some body on the ends. I'm not worried about over directing my curling iron. I am literally just pulling it straight out from the head. And drop it down. Heat protection products are so important. I cannot stress that enough. You definitely don't want to burn your hair, so always use something when working with a blow dryer, curling iron, and flat iron. I'm just going to rake my hair, so I seriously take my fingers and I just run it through. And this just takes my freshly blow dried hair to the next level. Now I have a fringe. I really like to have a little bit of movement. So I curl back off my face. You always want to curl off your face or else the ends will poke you in the eye. Awesome. Okay, so that is that. My easy curling iron, freshly salon look. That didn't make sense. I'm so sorry. Okay, take our bedroom hair. This is a really flexible texturizing spray. We all like something different in our hair. I like to still have movement. And I mean, I like to go for days and days with my hair. But by all means, use something firm, use something soft. I do recommend using something because then you just did all this work and you want it to last as long as possible. So make sure you're maintaining your style with proper products. I'm sure your stylist would be more than happy to help you out with that. I know I always am. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Have a great day, guys.